Hi friends, today we are going to see how to install Power BI and how to import data to work on it. So there is steps how to install. Step 1, click on the below link to directly download Power BI desktop. Link is given in description. After clicking the link, below image like will show up. Step 2, then click on the download free button. Step 3, now, you will redirect to a Microsoft Store. It will look like this somehow, and then select the Get button. Step 4, click on the Install button, as image is showing Install button. You can see the progress status of the Power BI desktop on the screen, as image is showing. Note, look, when you click on Get button, it start downloading, then wait till fully downloaded, then install. After installing you will see something like this to enter the detail, so enter your detail and click Done. If this type of page does not open, then it means you are done with it. Now search in your computer or you will see Power BI app on your desktop. Just click on it. Step 6, when you run the Power BI desktop, it displays the home page or welcome screen, which look like this only. Now let's see how we import data to work on it. As in every project, we have to create dashboard of analysis of data so as steps to be followed. We need to import one sample datasets of the Power BI and use it to create a new dashboard. For example, suppose a sample such as procurement analysis. This sample is an Excel workbook with 2 Power View sheets. When Power BI imports the workbook, it adds a dataset and a report to the workspace. Let's see step by step. Step 1, open the Power BI desktop and click on the File pane. Step 2, go to the Import option. Step 3, and select the Excel dataset file to import the file. Here procuring analysis is a file which we have to import. Step 4, select the procurement analysis sample file. Step 5, and click on the Open button. Step 6, for the exercise, select the Start button. It starts import Excel workbook and creating report view worksheets shown in the below screenshot. Step 7, when the completed message appears, then select the Close button to dismiss it. In the below screenshot, you can see the discount analysis of the imported dataset in the form of tiles. But as we see, it have to be made after importing data, as we will be see in next video as we work on project. So, till then, goodbye, take care.